In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a great template and turn it into a polished deck that's ready to share. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very top left corner of the window. Click the small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. This opens the main menu so you can quickly jump to tools and resources that Notion provides by default. From that menu, click Templates. This takes you into Notion's template area where you can browse pre-built pages designed for different use cases. If you land in a general gallery, make sure you're actually viewing the templates section so you see the full set of options available to you. Once you're in the gallery, look for the search bar and type the word presentation. This filters the results to layouts that are already styled as slide decks or presentation pages. Give the results a moment to load, then skim the thumbnails and titles. You can open any option to preview it first. Scroll through to see the flow, the typography, and whether it includes the kinds of sections you need, like a title slide, an agenda, content slides, and a closing or next step section. When you've found a template that matches your style, select it to open the full details. Then click it. Notion will add a copy directly to your workspace so you can edit it without affecting the original. If you're prompted to choose a destination, pick the page or space where you want this presentation to live. After it's added, you'll be taken to your new page automatically. Now it's time to make it yours. Start by renaming the page to your presentation title. Replace any placeholder text with your content and keep the existing headings and spacing as a guide so the design stays consistent. Use / commands to quickly add or adjust elements. Headings, bullet lists, images, videos, callouts, and dividers are especially useful for slides. If the template includes a slide or section you like, duplicate that block or page and swap in your own text and visuals to keep formatting uniform. Drag blocks to reorder sections and use columns to create side-by-side layouts. Update the cover image and icon to fit your theme and adjust callout colors to create emphasis without clutter. If you want private talking points, add a toggle block beneath each slide and tuck speaker notes inside. That's it. You click the top left dropdown, open templates, search for a presentation, selected a template, added it to your workspace, and customized it into a clean, cohesive deck.